Good day, learners. Today, we will be dealing with the nervous system. We will find out what are the parts and function of the nervous system. It is the control center of your entire body, like a communication system that collects and processes information. Makes sure that appropriate information is sent to all parts of the body. It receives any information from the environment through sense organs. There are two divisions of human nervous system. So we have the CNS and PNS. CNS stands for Central Nervous System, while PNS stands for Peripheral Nervous System. The Central Nervous System, as in the Computer Central Processing Unit or CPU, is the site of information processing. It includes the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system, just like the cables and cords of a computer, serves as the pathway of impulses to and from the spinal cord. The functions of the computer are comparable to the functions of our nervous system. In the central nervous system, the brain is a 3-pound organ, is a seat of consciousness and higher mental function. This is an organ located within the skull that functions as organizer and distributor of information for the body. So the brain has 3 main parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain that is associated with intelligence, imagination, memory, learning, and reasoning. The large upper part of the brain that controls activity and thought. The cerebellum, or the little brain, is located below the occipital lobes of the cerebrum. It makes body movements smooth, precise, and steady. It is the part under the cerebrum that controls posture, balance, and coordination. The other main part of the brain is the brainstem. The brainstem has 3 parts: the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. The midbrain acts as the reflex center for movement. The pons serves as the bridge connecting various parts of the brain with each other and to the spinal cord. The medulla oblongata controls involuntary activities such as breathing and heart rate. Extending from the brain is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a channel through which messages travel from the nerves in the different parts of the body to the brain and back. Let us proceed now to the other major division of the nervous system, which is the peripheral nervous system, or the PNS. The organs of the central nervous system are connected to the rest of the body by the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is made up of 2 groups of motor neurons, the somatic and the autonomic nervous systems. In somatic nervous system, its action is voluntary, meaning a person can decide whether to move or not to move a body part. The somatic nervous system has 2 main parts: the spinal nerves and the cranial nerves. The spinal nerves carry motor and sensory signals between the spinal cord and the body. The cranial nerves carry information into and out of the brainstem. Unlike the somatic nervous system, the autonomic nervous system acts involuntarily. The autonomic nervous system has 2 subdivisions: the parasympathetic and the sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system controls many internal functions, especially during times of stress or fear. It makes the heart beat faster and causes the blood pressure to rise. The parasympathetic nervous system acts the opposite. This system returns to your body to its normal state. It slows down heartbeat and brings blood pressure to normal. So that's about the nervous system. Thank you for watching.